Assalamu alaikum, dear students. With the remaining part of the question number 2.5, page number 32. So we solved the question up to manufacturing cost portion, and our manufacturing cost was of how much? That is 2,40,525. So hope you will understand from the calculation of the up to total manufacturing cost. Total manufacturing cost or factory cost, it means that the 2,40,525 we have the work in process for the current year 2018. Now we will check it out that when the year 2018 start on 1st January, so either on 31st December 2017 some material remain in the process in the plant and machinery or not. So how we will know this? We will know this from the question. And in the question, if we looked out, so here clearly that are given that locate the beginning inventories. We will look the beginning inventory. So work in process, the 4,600 work in process, they are shown in the beginning inventory. What does it mean? It means that when 2017 finished, so on December 31st 2017, the 4,600 watts the material remain in the process, in a work in process remain. So what we will do now, this amount we will transfer to January 1st 2018, the ending inventory of the 2017 will become the beginning of the 2018. So here we will transfer it. So beginning work in process, beginning work in process means on 1st of January 2018. This is the beginning. How much? The 4,600 process was remain from the previous year, and the 2,40,525 process, this is of the 2018. 4,600, this is the process of the 2017. Now we add these two to find out what's the total work in process, WIP. Now how much total work in process we have? Locate, this is too much simple. The 4,600 work in process remaining from 2017. So we transfer it to 1st of January 2018, and from in the total year in 2018, the 2,40,525. So the 2,40,525 dollar, we already have the work in process in 2018. Clear? Just I will write here. This is mean for your that you should, your mind should be clarified. This is the 2018, and this is the remaining of the 2017. Similarly, this material is the 2017, and these are the material of the 2018. Clear? Now locate, we add the remaining of the 2017 and the 2018 work in process. So now total work in process, clear, total. Now the total work in process is how much? So we add these two. So now we will add these two work in process. How? Look it. When we add them, enter. So now total work in process is how much? That is 2,45,125. Look at 2,40,525. This is the current year 2018 work in process, and 4,600, that is the remaining work in process of the year 2017. So now in the 2018, how much total work in process we have? The 2,45,125. This is now total work in process. But today is the end of the year, December 31st, 2018. So when I checked the plant record, so in the record some work in process remain, which is not converted to finished goods in the year 2018. So that is, we will subtract that work in process. Why? Reason is that one, that those work in process will be converted to finished goods in 2019. So, and the cost of this we record in 2018. So if we not subtract here the amount of that work in process, so the both year income statement will gives us the wrong result. One year will be understated and the another one year will be overstated. Why? Look at 2018 we record the cost and the revenue we generate in 2019. So we not record the cost in 2019, we just only record revenue from them. So the 2019 will be will be undercosted. But look at, in 2018 we record the cost, but we not record the revenue. Clear? So that will be overcosted. So both year record will be not provides us the true and clear picture regarding to the net income. So now according to the matching principles, what we will do? We will subtract the remaining work in process. Why? Because this work in process will be converted to finished goods into upcoming years. So from this year we will subtract it. Now this is the ending work in process for the year 2018. So less ending work in process means on which date? On 31st December 2018. Clear? How much? Minus. In the questions that are given, inventory at the end of the year. So work in process is how much? 6,200. 6,200. We will minus it. So when work in process end, so we produced the finished goods. So cost of goods manufactured. This is also called cost of finished goods. Cost of finished good means that how much finished goods we produced during the year 2018. This is shows the production of year 2018. So how much? Now look at this minus this. So it shows that during the year 2018 we produced the how much finished goods? We produced the 2,38,000 2,38,000 and how much? 925 we produced the finished goods. How much? 2,38,500 finished goods we produce. Means that during the year 2018, our net production of the finished good is 2,38,925. Means that this is our 2018 finished goods. But we will also check out that either we have the finished goods from the previous year or not. So yes, locate beginning inventory for the year. The 5,900 finished goods remain from the previous year. as साल गुज़िश्ता the 5,900 finished goods मांदाबूत की वो sold out न show. They are not sold out during the year 2017. So we will add those finished goods with these finished goods. So add beginning finished goods. It means that on 1st of January 2018 we transfer from December 31st 2017 5,900 finished goods. Look at the 5,900, these are the finished goods of the 2017, and the 2,38,925 finished goods, that is of the year 2018. So now how much total finished goods we have? We will add these two. So total finished goods available for use, for sale, sorry. And now for sales, how much finished goods we have? So we will add these two finished goods, the 2017 finished goods remaining plus the 2018 current production. So now we have the 2,44,825. But look at today, the year is ending, so some finished goods remain unsold in the year 2018, which we will sold out in 2019. So what we will do now? We will subtract those remaining finished goods which is unsold. Why? Their cost is recorded here in 2018, but that will be sold out by the business in 2019. So their revenue will be generated in the 2019. So that's why their cost will also be subtracted from 2018. So that is less ending finished goods. Ending finished goods means on 31st of December remaining finished goods 2018. The how much? The locate the 9,270, that is unsold. 9,270. Look at total finished goods was 2,44,825, and in these the 2,44,825 we just only have now the 9,270 remaining. So how much cost goods we sold out? So cost of goods sold, CGS. How much is the cost of goods sold now? So locate, we will subtract this from the total. So this total 2,44,825 minus 9,270. So we find out the cost of goods sold that during the year we sold out the 2,35,555 finished goods we sold out. How much? This one. 2,35,555 finished goods we sold out. So this was our CGS statement that we find out that how we can find out the CGS statement of a company. Now we find first one, the CGS we find. Now we will going towards what? Now we will prepare the income statement. So as you know, income statement is too much easy. What we will do, I will copy this now. Look at company name is Chilikoff Company. Statement name, I will change the statement name. Now this is income statement. So income statement, and then time period is same for the year 2000, December 31st 2018. Look at now, what is income statements consist of the two major account, the revenue and expense account. So first we will write the revenue account, and revenue in this case is our sales. So sales, how much sales? Locate from the questions we will finding out that sales for the year is, look at here, $3,14,000. Clear? I write the $3,14,000. This is my total sales. If look at, if there is also a chances of the sales returns. So if there was any sales returns, so from here we will subtract the sales returns. And if some allowances or discounts are given on sales by the company, so those discounts will also be subtracted here from the sales to finding out the net sales. But if we looked out in the questions, so no sales returns taken place, and similarly no discount or allowances offered by the company. So this is our net sales. Now from that net sales we will subtract, look at the sales, the goods which we sold out on 3,14,000. So what will be our own cost taken place on it? So we will subtract that cost. Clear? So list CGS, cost of goods sold. How much is the CGS now? Look at, this is our CGS, 2,35,555. 2,35,555. Look at the goods which is cost for us is 2,35,555. We sold out these goods on 3,14,000. More than, yes. In the goods कि बरे मा तमाम शुद बचन 2,35,555 मा सोल्ड आउट कर देम मा फरोख्त कर देम बचन 6,14,000. So we have a formula, sales minus cost is equals to what? Gross income. And when it is positive, like here, sales is more than cost, so that is also called gross profit. Chan, locate. I will this from 3,14,000 minus cost 2,35,550. So my gross profit is how much? That is my gross profit, gross income, 78,445. I sold out it on more than cost prices. So, but there are some expenses also taken place. So list, I will subtract those expenses. List expenses. What are the expenses now? Look it. Which expenses? I will general expenses. List general expenses. Expenses, instead of this I will write general expenses. Okay. So general expenses are what? We have the general expenses. If we looked out the question, now comes towards the question now, marketing expenses and admin expenses. Okay. I will write these. I will put here in the outer column. Okay. Now, what is, look, just a minute. Now, look at marketing expenses. Marketing expenses. How much is the marketing expenses? So marketing expenses is 22,115, and administrative expenses 17,650. This is, so I will add these two expenses and will be subtracted from the gross income. So that is equals to how much? 40,765. Arduisha jam shud. So jam yazi 40,765 shud. Now I will subtract these expenses 40,700 from the gross profit or gross income. So that will be called what's income before income tax. Operating income. Operating income, or this is called income before interest, income before interest, income tax. Income tax. How much is the income before income tax? So just a minute. Okay. So look at, dear students, or if we looked out, this is our what? 78,445. This is our gross profit. But this gross profit means na khalis profit. Why? Because some expenses are also included, and when I add all those expenses, so the sum of those expenses is 40,765. So what I will do, I will subtract these expenses from this gross profit. Clear now? So what will be the answer? That will be our what? Net income before interest, income taxes. So is equals to this, just a minute. This minus this amount. So now what is the income? Income before interest and taxes is how much? That is 37,680. this is my income before income tax, but as income tax is not given, so this is my answer. Clear? This is my answer now. Why? Because income statement is not given. The income tax is not given. So when income tax is not given, that is my amount. Now look it. This is our first requirements. An income statement for the year ended December. It means that from the sales of these goods which we produced on 2,35,555, we earned 37,680. Clear? This is our first requirement. Now our second requirement is what? Second requirement of the question is that the percentage of income to sales before income tax. So look at percentage of income to sales before income tax. So that is equals to, what is the formula? Formula is that operating income या income before income tax, the income before the income tax divided by what? Sales. Simple. Multiplied by 100 percentages. So that will be in the multiplied by 100. This is the formula, noted 100. Clear now? Okay. Now we will put, just a minute, I will zoom out this one. What is the formula? Now look it. Now look at the formula. So how much is my net income before the income tax? That is 37,680 divided by, what is the sales? 3,40,000. Clear? Now we will put in the formula, okay, multiplied by 100. We put it, so that is equals to 12%. How much? That is 12%. Okay, so this was our second answer. How much? I will zoom it. 12% is our what's percentage of income to sale. It means that, look at this second one requirement says that if we earn 37,680, our cost is 2,35,555, and we sold out it on 314,000. So we will earn 12%. Means that 12% means that if we make a sales of 100, so in that 100 our net profit, our percentage of income will be 12%. Clear now? So hope you will be understand. If you have any questions, so ask me in the group. I will give you the answer inshallah. So have a good time. See you in the next class.